You can see here a 3D model of a typical relief valve. A relief valve is a pressure relief device actuated by inlet static pressure, having a gradual lift, in general proportional to the increase in pressure over opening pressure. Relief valves are commonly used in liquid systems. Let's look into the internals of the valve and its operation. Here you can see all the components of this valve as well as a 2D cross-section of it. Starting our way from up to down, you can see that a typical relief valve comprises a cap, a spring adjuster, a spring, a stem, a disc, a seat, and a base. So basically here, almost the same components as a safety valve. Here, the system pressure acts on the disc through the inlet connection or nozzle. The outlet of the valve may have a screwed or flanged connection to a piped discharge system. The system pressure acts below the disc as for safety valves. In the normal operating condition, the disc is held against the seat by spring pressure from the top. The amount of compression on the spring is usually adjustable by means of the spring adjuster. Therefore, the pressure at which the disc lifts off the seat can be altered, as it is the case for safety valves. When the system pressure increases over the set pressure, the disc gradually lifts in proportion to the increase in system pressure over the set pressure. So the excess pressure is relieved gradually. The flow path across one of the disc guides is shown here. The disc resets itself when the system pressure drops below the set pressure. Now, what I want you to understand here and to keep in mind is the difference between the relief valve and the safety valve. Recall, the relief valve gradually opens as the inlet pressure increases above the set point. So this means that a relief valve opens only as necessary to relieve the overpressure condition. However, a safety valve, and as we have seen in a previous video, rapidly pops fully open as soon as the pressure setting is reached. This means that a safety valve will stay fully open until the pressure drops below reset pressure. This is the major difference between a relief valve and a safety valve.